Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. I thought this would be a fun pose, a little walking kitty with that paw up. So I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over right now. And just mapping in kitty shapes. Just aiming at, more than anything, shapes and angles right now. Just loose shapes. The general idea. Need some room for the tail now. I don't really like the shape of that tail. I'm going to change it. That muzzle. Got some guiding lines on the face there to plop the eyes and nose into and stuff. And I'll just work down here a bit and get back to that later. Just really try to keep my lines flowing together, the natural rhythm of the drawing. Correcting when I need to and just allowing it to be what it is. Let Kitty become what Kitty becomes. I'm not particularly worried about making it look like this exact same cat, but usually the less I worry about it, the more likely it does. If I worry about it too much, then I try to fix too much and my drawing ends up overworked and I just lose the life in it. Put that nose down a little bit far, so I'll end up moving it up here in a little bit. Don't be afraid to make corrections. That's what erasers are for. I use my eraser as a drawing tool just as much as I use my pencil as a drawing tool. Well, maybe not quite as much, but it's just as important, I'll put it that way. Yeah, I like that tail tip down better because that's that kind of friendly body language. All those legs are different shapes. And in order to make Kitty comfortable, we kind of got to get the right shapes of the legs. Depending on your style, of course. Some people make a lovely style out of just goofy, simplistic cats too. Just find who you are and follow that. We're going to speed up here right away to 8 times the speed and finish this drawing up. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. I try to get to all my comments, but it's starting to get now, so it'd be pretty hard to answer them all, but I do my best. But I always love to hear from you and get some conversation going in this lovely community of crazy cat artists. And I'm planning on working on a course soon too, a cat drawing course, so I'd love to hear if you'd be interested in that. There's a hint of tabby stripes around, replicate the markings in a simplistic manner. Wiggle lines. Whiskers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.